What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the Zookeeper from Zoonomoly. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two large circles for the eyes. And I want to start with the one on the left. We're going to start from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom of the circle, and then back up toward the top of the eye. Now I'm going to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top. You're going to want to bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. Now I want to give our character an angry expression, so on the inside of the eyes, we're going to add a fold, coming in and then up on both sides. Now we're going to move down in the center, add a small fold, going up and then down across the top of the nose. Step down again, on the left side, just underneath the eye, curve the nose, coming down, across, and then up. Let's add two small half circles on either side for the nostrils. And we'll fill the inside of the nostrils in black. Now just underneath the nose, we're going to add a large curve for the mouth. We're going to start on the left, coming down just underneath, go across on the right. And I want to curl the mouth, going around and then in, just aiming towards the eyes. Let's go back to the left side and draw the bottom of the mouth. Coming all the way around, coming in, go up on the right, and then tuck that in. Now along the top, we're going to add some sharp teeth. Let's start right in the middle, come down towards the left, and then back up. Go back to the center, and do the same thing on the right. Now I want to repeat these teeth going all the way out towards the outside. So we'll start with the left. Now I'm going to do the same thing across the bottom. Starting in the center, go up toward the left and then down. Same thing on the right. And again, we're just going to repeat this all the way towards the side. Now we're going to be tucking the head in underneath the hat. So above the left eye on the outside, we're just going to curve this up, across, and then down towards the right. Let's curve the side of the head, coming out and then down around the eyes. And then over on the left side, we're just going to bump up the cheek, going around, come in toward the chin, and do the same thing on the right. Just mirroring this over, going around the cheek, and then tucking that in. Now I'm going to add some drips coming down from the eyes. Starting over on the left, coming down and up. Add another drip coming down, up, and then in. Do the same thing on the right. Start with a smaller one on the inside, come all the way down, and then up. I'm also going to add some drips coming down from the mouth. Starting over on the left, coming down, up, and then down towards the chin. Add a few more drips along the center. I'm going to leave a gap, add some more coming down towards the right, and then up towards the mouth. Now I'm going to switch to a thick black marker and fill the inside of the eyes. I'm also going to fill the inside of those drips coming down from the eyes. And we'll go in and fill the inside of the mouth going around the teeth. I'm also going to include those drips coming down. I'm also going to add a few splatter marks along the outside of the mouth. Now with the head complete, we want to wrap the hat brim around the top. So from the top left corner, step down, draw an oval. Going out, pull this in across the middle, over on the right side, and then bend that back in. Along the outside, draw 2 short lines going up to add some thickness to the hat brim. Go back to the left, trace that same curve going across. Now we're going to draw on the top of the hat. Let's line up at the side of the head, above the hat brim, draw a half circle. Going up, across, and then down. Let's add 2 folds on the side of the hat. Leaving a gap in the center, go to the left side, come down, bend that out, and then up. Now you just want to mirror this over on the right side. Now we're going to go back down to the chin, draw 2 straight angled lines coming down and out across the collar. And then on the left side, bend the collar going out and then up underneath the head. Do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to leave a gap on either side, we're going to draw the body. Curve this out and then in towards the hips. Let's go to the left side of the body, add a curve for the shirt, going up and then down. Now in between the hips, we're going to come to the center, step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Let's leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the left leg, going out and down towards the left heel, go over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet, going down and up. Now going back to the side, we're going to draw the top of the foot. We go up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel, leaving a gap on the inside. And then we're going to separate the toes with 2 curves. Now we're going to go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. We're going to step out to create a fold. We're going to go out and then down on top of the feet. From the side of the body, we're going to draw the inside of the arm, going out and down towards the wrist. And then from the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. Now you want to add 3 fingers on either side. We're going to start underneath the thumb, we're going to come down and up around that bracket, go over towards the side, come down and up with the 2nd finger, and then from the side, add the 3rd finger and blend this into the arm, going up and then in underneath the head. Let's do the same thing on the right. Along the top of the arm, we're going to add a curve for the edge of the sleeve, starting over on the left. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw the Zookeeper from Zoonomoly. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.